done here. So I've got the handbag with clasp die. I'll show you. I've cut two of the main die, two of the strap, two of the side panels, and two of these sort of fob shapes. Pop that to one side. So we'll put the side panels on first, and I've already reinforced my score lines and put my tape on by attaching your side panels first. So this one's a nice easy one. It's got a very gentle curve, so you're just following that little curve. We'll attach the other panel, and I've cut this from a 250 GSM. Again, it gives you a nice sturdy card. Just line that up. So that's nice and neat. Same with the other side. And this one also has lots of lovely decorative panels that you can add to it, starting at the bottom again, right along that crease. Just pop that like that, fold it round, oops, line it up. There we go. You can see that goes together really fast. I've just popped some tape on these side panels, on one of the side panels. I've not missed one, so we'll put a bit of tape on there. You can fill it up with some lovely goodies. Some chockies are always nice, or some pretty bath accessories would be nice in there. Lovely for lots of different gifts, sort of little girls' birthday parties and prom gifts, or bridal gifts for your bridesmaids or your girls on your hen party, that sort of thing. So you've got your basic shape there. Now I've cut two straps and two fobs, and I've also got two handles. So I'm going to pop the handles first. I'm going to use a little bit of wet glue for this. Just going to put a little bit of glue on either side. Just slot that into those little slots there and just hold that in place until it dries. Same on the back. So that's the handles on. And actually I think what we're going to do is just use one of these, but if you wanted you could do it two there as well. I'm going to slot this into this piece. I'm going to fold this little piece up and then pop a little bit of glue in, just so that it holds that piece in place, so it's not sliding in and out. Like that. Then I'm going to attach this piece onto the handbag. I'm not gluing this piece because I want this strap to be able to move. So I'm just going to pop that in the centre there, sort of about there. Just make sure that's stuck down. Just let that dry a second. And then what I'm going to do is just thread this through these two pieces, bring it through, and then this piece will slot through the buttle to hold your little handbag together, like so. There we go. So that's just one way to use your strap, and then you can accessorise with the rest of the pieces in the die set.